Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain more numerical problems which are related to the investment chapter. Okay. So here is the first question, that is, if consumptions at the zero level of income is 40 crore and the investment multiplier is 4, then determine the consumption functions. Okay. So we have given the consumption at the zero level of the income. So what is the consumption at the zero level of income? That is the autonomous consumptions. Okay. So solution of this question is, we have given the autonomous consumptions. Okay. That is what? That is C bar is equal to 40 CR. So we have given the autonomous consumption, that is 40 CR, and we have also given the investment multiplier. Investment multiplier, that is K. K is how much? 4. And we have to determine the consumption functions. Okay. So this is the next problem with the consumption functions and investment multiplier. So firstly we need to know about the consumption functions. So what is the formula of consumption functions, or what is the relations of the consumption function with the income? That is C is equal to C bar plus B by. Okay. And B is what? B is equal to MPC. Okay. So this is the consumption functions, where C is the consumptions and C bar is the autonomous consumptions at the zero level of the income. B is equal to the MPC, means marginal propensity to consume, and Y, that is the income level. Okay. So this is the consumption functions, and we have to derive the consumption functions. So what will you do? So C bar is how much? 40 plus BY. So we have to find the value of B. So B is what? MPC. So we have to find the value of MPC, and we have given the K, means K we have given. So as you know that K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Already discussed in the previous video what is the relationship between K with MPS and MPC. So this is the relationship between K and MPC. So K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Now we have to calculate the value of what? MPC, and that value of MPC put in this equations. Okay. So we have the equations. What? C is equal to 40, because we have given the autonomous consumption, that is C bar we have already given the 40. Okay. So C is equal to 40 plus BY. So we have to calculate B. B means MPC. So just put the value of K. K we already given how much? That is 4. So 4 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Okay. So what will you do? Then divide by 1 and do the cross multiply. Then you will get what? Then you will get 4 bracket 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. When you multiply 1 into 1, that is 1, and 4 into, this should be in bracket, 4 into 1 minus MPC. So now what we will do, we will multiply in both the terms, that is 4 into 1, that is 4, and minus 4 MPC is equal to 1. Okay. Now minus 4 MPC is equal to 1 minus 4 comes on this side, minus 4. So minus 4 MPC is equal to minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So what will get? 4 is equal to MPC is equal to 3. MPC is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is what? 3 by 4 when divided by this thing, then we will get the 0.75 Y. Now we will get the values of MPC, that is 0.75. Now the consumption function is what? 40 plus BY, or you can say that putting the value of this B is equal to 0.75 in equation 1. So C is equal to 40 plus B is what? 0.75y. This is what? This is the consumption functions. Now, in questions, if the income is there, then we'll put the value of income, we'll multiply with this and get the complete consumptions at the particular level of the income. Okay. So in this question, we just derive or just solve the consumption functions. So this is the consumption functions of this particular questions. Okay. Here one more questions, different kind of questions. In this questions we have given what? In an economy, equilibrium level of income is how much? 400 CR, and the ratio of MPC to MPS is 3:1. Listen very carefully. Here, what the ratio of MPC and MPS means? MPC and MPS relation is what? 3:1. This thing we have given, and what we have given the equilibrium level of income, and now we have to calculate the additional investment needed, and additional investment, that is delta I. Means we have to calculate the delta I. Additional means change in income, change in investment, so that is delta I to reach the new equilibrium level income of rupees 2000. So here there are two income are there. The equilibrium level of income earlier how much? 1200 CR. The ratio of this MPC and MPS 3:1. Additional investment we have to calculate, and we have to calculate additional when the new equilibrium reached at the level of 2000. So what is the value of delta Y? Delta Y is how much? 2000 minus 1200. Okay. So we'll calculate the changes. Earlier the income how much? 1200, and we have to reach the income at the 2000 rupees. Okay. So what is the difference between these two? 2000 minus 1200, that is 800. So delta Y is what? 800. So we have given two things, MPC and MPS relation 3:1, and delta Y is 800. Okay. So MPC MPS is equal to 3:1. So what is the value of MPC? MPC is equal to MPC is how much? 3 upon 3 plus 1. Okay. So 3 upon 4. This is the value of MPC. How we calculate? First MPC is what? 3. Now total of this number is how much? 3 plus 1, that is 4. Or you can just write 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay. So 3/4, this is the value of MPC, and 3/4 is what? 3/4 is the value of 0.75. Okay. So this is the value of MPC. Now similarly we can calculate the value of MPS also. So MPS is what? MPS is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1. So 1 upon 4, so 0.25. So this is the value of MPS. Or you can use the relationship between MPC and MPS. So this is what? MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So 1 minus 0.75, that is what? 0.25. So you can solve by both the methods. Okay. Now we already calculated this thing, MPC, and we have to calculate what? We have to calculate delta I. Delta I we have to calculate, and we have given what? We have given delta Y. Delta Y is how much? 800. That is 2000 minus 1200, that is 800. Okay. And we have already calculated MPC 0.75. Now what will we do? We will calculate K. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So 1 is equal to 1 minus MPC is what? 0.75. So 1 upon 0.25. So 100 upon 25 is equal to 4. This is the value of K. How we calculate the value of K? Because we have given the MPC, okay, and delta I we have to calculate, and delta Y is 800. So what is the formula of K? K is delta Y upon delta I. So firstly we need to calculate what? K. So K, how to calculate the K? K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC is 1 upon 1 minus 0.75. So 1 minus 0.75 is what? 0.25. So 1 upon 0.25. So we'll multiply 100 in both numerator and denominator. So 100 upon 0.25 will reduce it to 25. So 25 4 ja 100. So k is equal to 4. This is the value of k. Now, as you know that k is equal to delta y upon delta I. And now we calculate the value of k, that is 4. And what is the value of delta y? The value of delta y is 800. That is 800. And this is delta I. Then we'll do the cross multiply. So 4 delta I is equal to 8 into 1, that is 800. 800 into 1, that is 800. Okay, so 4 delta I. So delta I is equal to 800 upon 4. So delta I is what? 200 CR. This is the additional investment to reach the 2000 equilibrium level of the income. So this is the another kind of problem which are related to this topic. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of how to solve the different kind of problem. We will discuss more problem regarding this chapter. Okay, thank you so much.